Pat, calm down, chillax, dude.
Help me do the intro.
I'm doing a woodwork challenge, swagger, in that net with...
Fuck off. If you don't know what the woodwork challenge, guys, is, you hit the balls, then you hit the Christmas tree, and after you hit the door. And when you hit all those three, you win a medal.
So you hit the left post, the crossbar, and the right post.
That's not what we were
At the
doing.
same time. Shut up. Don't spank me with a wooden stick. I
Have revenge, but that means you're gonna score.
okay. Aim for the left post first. Oh my god.
Yeah, I knew you would just score.
It was a good finish, but...
Okay, let me go.
My turn first. Let's go if he makes it. Yes. Go. Go.
So that was just testing of the networks. Cause
He's testing the woodwork.
and now, let me go again, I'll prove it.
He's going again. Wow.
That is alright, I promise you.
Oh, what the? So far we're awful at football. Come on, we need to put top ends in it.
I have to give it a mask, innit? Because...
What is power shot? God damn. Keep them stuck.
Sorry.
I hate flowers.
You don't. You remember when you brought my flowers to that girl called Sprinkles? Remember? Because on the first day, she told you she likes you.
I have to mute that again because he's just saying some very secretive stuff. And that's his turn, my turn. Left post.
Sorry.
I want it for real fight. Oh my, I'm going to post again.
Fuck!
Yeah!
Oh, yes!
Hey, now, crossbar's next. He's going again. Let's go, if he makes it. Whoa. I can. Oh, no way.
Oh, I recorded that volley that I did.
Oh yeah, he did a volley and went straight to the left
And I
top
did a
corner.
knuckleball with my knuckle. He kicked it in the garden. Oh, garden is that?
After that colossal fail,
I just hit the post.
left post.
Left.
Left.
That.
Left. Nice.
That doesn't count, does it? Do you have to go the first or the second? Okay. My head hurts a bit. I got hit by a tractor. Stanislav, come here. Sit down. Okay, blow your wishes. 1 + 2 is... You're gay.
Bro, let's go. Oh no. That ball. Get that ball.
I'll get it.
My nips.
My knuckle.
My nips. I just get
If
lost.
I'm bleeding, we can't put this in the video.
Yeah.
I'm not bleeding.
Crossbar challenge.
I'm gonna have a drink because I'm thirsty.
Jesus. Crossbar.
Oh!
What a finish. That counts for 2.
You already did that one.
I can't believe you've done this.
That's post and crossbar.
I just won.
Okay, you finished the challenge.
We all count it. So I hit the crossbar. Technically I hit both, but yeah, it's kind of unfair. So we'll count it as crossbar.
Fuck off. The one.
So he needs to hit the crossbar.
Come on, guys.
That's the funniest crossbar. I'll allow him.
That was beautiful. That
was the funniest. He went in, he bounced off the rocks and went up. What's this boy playing at? Right post. Right post.
I just spanked him. I spanked him in my ass.
But
Wait,
he hit
what?
my right post. God damn it.
Get the right one and then I'm done.
Yes. We both need the right one and then we're done. That was awful.
That was beautiful. I used...
We're both in the right post. Did I hit the left? Oh my god. You told me that net won't fall.
Don't hit me.
I sure hope that was in camera.
Oh, that was me trying to fix the net. Come on.
A bit more than
This is my turn, yeah, right, thank you.
Pat, what? No.
Are you such a d? No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Get lost. Then.
I'll get lost.
And don't sabotage me, and I'll exclude you from the school. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go. Right pose. Let's go. Oh my god. You missed. Oh. Hit your butt. Forgot.
Oh shit, we did.
Dead. He's dead. That's on the thumbnail. So we had some technical difficulties. He was in hospital for 2 minutes.
The bitches. Oh, never mind. Let's just go.
I guess you guys don't care about his hand.
You guys can.
You swear I'll kill you.
I didn't swear. I just told them that they're beautiful people. Oh, you're not Bruce Lee Jenner.
Who the hell is that?
Combine two names with each other.
Bruce Lee Jenner. Hashtag. In the comments, everybody. Right. Hashtag Bruce Lee Jenner.
No one's gonna comment because no one watches on videos.
But left foot, right pulse. Let's go. Ah. That's proper anger, mate.
And it's gone.
Oh my lord, guys. What has he done?
Right.
God damn it. Ah! Yes, we found the meat. Where is the ball?
It's here.
It's good. Right there, guys.
Who picked it, man?
Wait, can they see it? Can you see it? Yes, there. Oh, how do you get it? Okay, wait. Oh, he has it. I can get it easily. Come on, Pat. He's very close. Push it to me. Wait.
I'm bleeding everywhere, guys.
This one bit. Pat. Stand up.
Why is he stuck? Is it this way? He can't get out. Come on, guys. Oh, not again. I'm bleeding. Oh, fuck off. But this was a dangerous video.
Going in title. Almost went wrong. Almost died.
Why that way? Why that way?
I don't know, to be honest.
We wasted 2 minutes just trying to get out of this fucking goddamn place. Oh my god, that isn't good, Stan. What can you... Guys, that... Oh my god, I'm dying.
Oh.
I hope that's just dirt. That's just dirt, right? We're just gonna quickly do this.
First try, I guess. That's dirt there. Second try. Oh. The third time the charm, innit?
Just do it. Oh, this is like a... Okay, that... That counts. That doesn't count. Sweating, bro.
We're dead. We were bleeding. We were dying.
For this tiny ball and this net, and you guys, we managed to make each other bleed. Oh god damn it.
Yeah!
No, that counts. Come on, that must... Okay, just do the outro.
We did it.
We did it.